Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson where we've got these questions that we want to revise together. So let's see how we are going to answer these wonderful questions. So I want your total attention even as I explain these questions. The first question is saying, so given that f of x is equal to x minus 4 and h of x equal to 2x plus 3. Find h inverse of x. You want to find h inverse of x. How do we answer this? Where is the function coming from? Where is the function h, the original function of h? It is just right here. So you write it, h of x is equal to 2x plus 3. That is the function. So we know that if we want to find the inverse function, we make x the subject of the formula and we get this part. This part equates to y. So that is y is equal to 2x plus 3, like this. We are making x the subject of the formula, meaning that this 3 should come this side so that we just remain with 2x. So we're going to have y. This is positive 3. When it crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 3, which is equal to 2x. This is what you have. For you to make x the subject of the formula, you are going to divide both sides by 2. Over 2 over 2. This 2 and that 2 will cancel out. What you're going to have is x is equal to y minus 3 over 2. This is what you're going to have. Where you just say, therefore, it was saying h inverse. So h inverse of x is equal to, have you seen I've said x, not y? Meaning that here where there is y, you are going to put x. So there is, am I going to say y? No, I'll say x minus 3 over 2. This is what I'm going to do. Meaning that I've answered the first part. This is how you are supposed to answer it. The same way I've answered, this is the same way you are supposed to answer it. The same procedures I've done, you are supposed to follow the same procedures. I move to the next question. The next question is saying h inverse of 5. I find h inverse of 5. The first question you need to ask yourself, where is the function for h inverse? The function for h inverse is just right here. This is where it is. This is the one that is here. This is to tell you that you get this same function, h inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 over 2. They have told us to find h inverse of what? 5. This is to tell you that where there is x, you are going to put a 5. So x is there. You put 5 minus 3 over 2. Everything will remain the same, just this part will change. So what you are going to have here, h inverse of 5 is equal to, you are going to have what here? This is 2 on top there, over 2. So what is your final answer? What is your final answer? What answer are you getting there? What is your final answer? H inverse of 5 is equal to what? 2 divided by 2, you get a 1. The answer there is what? The answer there is 1. This is what you are supposed to do. The same way I'm answering this is the same way you are supposed to answer them. So make sure that you understand this way. Make sure that you understand this part. So we move now. I move to the next one. I go to the last question. So before we go to the last question, if there is one that needs tuitions in mathematics, chemistry or physics. At the moment, I'm just doing mathematics and science. You can WhatsApp me on this number. So you can contact me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. I'll be here to help you. I'm here to help you. So this is my number. You can WhatsApp me on this same number. I do offer online lessons in mathematics and science. So let us now go back to our question. This is the last question that we are remaining with. So how can we answer this last question? This is a wonderful question. The last one is called composite functions. These ones are called what? Composite functions. These are composite functions. In Zambia, they were recently included in the curriculum that was revised in 2016. So those of you that wrote 2015 going down there, you never used to learn these things, especially this part, composite function. So composite function is where you are taught to combine two functions. So the function here, they have started with what? H. So you start with H. H of x is equal to what? 2x plus 3. This is what you're going to do. Then there is another function here which is f. This is to tell you that here, on this part where there is x, this is where you're going to put the function f of x. Are you going to put the whole function? When I say the function f of x, the only important part is this part. So this is to tell you that here where there is x, everything will remain the same. But here where there is x, that's where you're going to put x minus 4 there. So you're going to have something like this. H, f of x. You've now combined two functions, which is equal to, so this is equal to what? This is equal to 2, where there is x there. Don't forget to put the function, this function. So you say open bracket, x minus 4 cross plus 3. This is what you're going to do. From there you say h f of x is equal to 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 4, that is 8, so negative 8, plus 3. Then finally, what answer are you getting? What is your answer? H f of x is equal to 2x, negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. This is the answer that you're getting. So this is how you are supposed to do for you to answer that particular question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share with others. This is a public lesson. But if you want to join me, we do live lessons where you even ask questions whilst I'm teaching. Thank you so much.